Welcome to the Complete Digital Marketing Guide. My name is Robin, and in this lecture, me and Jesper will walk you through everything this course contains and how it's organized to make your learning experience as smooth and effective as possible.
Hi, my name is Jesper. Whether you're completely new to digital marketing or looking to expand your knowledge, this course is designed for you. We've structured the Complete Digital Marketing Guide into clear sections so you can easily follow along or jump to the course that interests you the most. Let's get started.
Strategy. Welcome to the most important section of the course. In this section, you will learn to understand your audience, build a website that connects with them, and master the basics of SEO, email marketing, and Google Analytics. These skills together form the core of your digital marketing strategy. By understanding Google Analytics, you will gain insight into how well your strategy is working and how to improve it as you go. This knowledge will give you the confidence to apply what you learn in the rest of the course. By the end of this section, you will have a clear strategy in place that will help you confidently move forward with the rest of the courses. This is your first step to getting the most out of the Complete Digital Marketing Guide.
In the next section called Theory, you learn the principles that make marketing truly effective. From creating content that resonates with your audience to crafting copies that persuades and converts, you'll gain insights into the psychology behind successful marketing and branding. By understanding how to build trust and loyalty with customers, you will be able to develop a strategy to go beyond just selling, creating lasting relationships and impact.
Channels. Here, you will learn the skills to drive traffic and boost engagement across all the channels. You will also build the confidence to be in front of the camera to create engaging content that connects with your audience on platforms like YouTube and Instagram organically. You will learn how to maximize your reach through paid ads with the largest advertising platforms like Google and Facebook, where each platform offers unique ways to reach your audience by creating effective ad copies with images and videos.
Extras. This section expands your digital marketing toolkit, providing new skills like freelancing that deepen your understanding and offer more practical ways to apply everything you've learned.
And finally, here are the 9 most important functions on Udemy to maximize your learning. Number 1, course resources. You can access resources by clicking on the lecture and selecting the relevant materials inside. 2, playback rate. Adjust the video speed to your preference by using the playback rate button that's near the player controls. 3, add notes. To take notes, click add notes and write down your thoughts. 4, transcripts and captions. Auto-generated transcripts are available under the transcripts tab, while captions can be activated by clicking captions and turning them on. Do note that transcripts may not always be 100% accurate. 5, Q&A. If you need any help, click the Q&A button, scroll down and search for your question, or ask a new one. Our team will respond within 24 hours on weekdays. 6, notes. Find all your written notes on their specific timestamps here. 7, announcements. We continuously update the course and you'll receive these updates completely for free. You'll find them in the announcements section. 8, learning tools. Set reminders to stay accountable with your learning. Create an event and decide on your frequency. Remember, consistency is key. And finally, 9, course completion. After finishing the entire course, you'll unlock the trophy symbol, granting access to your diploma as a proof of your extensive digital marketing training.
And there you have it. Make sure to stick around for the next video called Digital Marketing Explained, where you learn more about the key to successful marketing, of putting the right product in front of the right audience. See you in the next lecture.